Today's word is nadir. It is a noun. It means the very lowest point of something. It describes the moment when things are at their worst or the lowest position something can reach. Similar words include bottom, low point, rock bottom. Losing his favorite toy was the nadir of his bad day. The team reached the nadir of their season when they lost 10 games in a row. Things can only get better now that we have reached the nadir.
I feel like today is the absolute nadir of my week.
I'm sorry. At least it can only go up from here, right?
John uses nadir to explain that his day has reached its lowest or worst point. Think of nadir as the opposite of peak. It rhymes with radar if you say it quickly. Can you think of a time when you felt you were at the nadir of your day?